Hey guys, welcome to our first Luigi versus Pig challenge. And in this corner, weighing 255 pounds, Chef Luigi. I'm sorry. Iron Chef Luigi. And in this corner, weighing 325 pounds, Patient Pig. Okay, Chef Luigi, what have you got for us today? You got your chocolate and my peanut butter cookies. Chef Patient Pig, what do you got for us today? We have walnut sour cream dreams. Okay, and now for round one. Let's start off with 2 sticks of butter. And just like before, we're gonna blend it up. Let's put in. Okay, now it's time to scrape the sides like we do so we don't get any lumps. Put in 1 egg yolk and 1 whole egg. One tablespoon of vanilla. 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. This one does not get baking soda, it gets baking powder. And make sure you know which one's which, because remember, BS is a lot different than BP. Forget 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And last of all, 2 cups of flour. Voila. Here we go with this batter. We're going to put a teaspoon of water into our egg white, single egg white from earlier. We're going to mix it up, pour it onto the plate. We're going to take our peanuts, pour it onto the other plate. And now we're going to roll these bowls of cookie dough in the egg whites. And then coat them with peanuts. Cookies. And we're going to dip something into flour so we can give a little indentation in the cookies. Now we're going to take the chocolate chips and put a little bit on top of each glob of peanut butter. Now you can tell me, do I have peanut butter in your chocolate, or do you have chocolate in my peanut butter?
Peanut butter.
Chocolate. You got peanut butter on my chocolate.
Well, you got chocolate in my peanut butter.
Bravissimo.
Two great.
Let's get the cookies in the oven. Say goodbye. And let's check it out. See how they're doing. Ooh, those look nice. And now for round 2. Here we go with 1 stick of butter and 1 cup brown sugar. Okay, now we're going to put 1 egg. And 1 teaspoon vanilla. And whip it up. Now, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, go down to half speed, and 2 cups of flour. Mix until it's fully incorporated. So now we're going to portion out the cookies. And we're going to pat them down. Press it with your thumb and come around a little bit and give just a little rim so it looks like a little pizza pie. Okay, these are half of our cookies. We made 18 altogether. In the oven, 350 degrees for 15 minutes. After 8 minutes, we're going to turn them around. I think they look rather nice. Put them out to cool a little bit. And these are the sour cream walnut cookies. And now to start our tasting round. First up is Patient Pig. What do you got for us, Patient Pig? Oh man, I got my sour cream walnut cookies. Okay. Judges?
Buttery. Very chewy. In the middle. Walnutty too. Very good.
Okay, guys. And do we grade it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? And what do we got here for choice number 2? We have Iron Chef Luigi. And what do you got for us today, Luigi? I got a decent cookie. You got chocolate in my peanut butter. It's a good cookie. Vote for me. Okay, guys, and for the judging, pick up a cookie. No broken teeth.
Very sticky. Crunchy. Gooey. Peanutty.
Now put in your vote. Thumbs up, thumbs down. And now for the results. The judges, it's very close. Taste, 85 for Luigi, 85 for Patient Pig. Skill level, 92 for Luigi, 87 for Patient Pig. Appearance, it's a tie on the appearance, 87 for both. Because the skill level was a little tougher, the winner is...
This